Ushan of class 8. Today I am going to tell about handlooms and its importance. Let's watch the video. August 7 was chosen as Indian National Handloom Day. Handlooms have been known to India right from the historical ages. Textile industry occupies a unique position in the Indian economy. Also, it provides larger scale employment to the rural people next to the agriculture. In India, the handloom sector directly or indirectly employs more than 4.3 million people.
Namaste one and all. I am Panitirumuri of class 8B. I am going to explain the facts and achievements in textile industry in Tamil Nadu and India. The recent years. The successful implementations of support price over 86 lakhs base. And the Ministry of Textile has trained 3.75 lakh youth in textile trades and integrate and skill development for a 12th plan to train 15 lakh persons. So 7 common facility centers set up in Benares mega cluster to promote handloom sector in an integrated manner. Yarn bowl, India is called the yarn bowl in the world, and Tirupur is known as the knitting city. Coimbatore is known as the Manchester of South India. Tamil Nadu is the first rank in production of cotton yarns, and it is the first rank in export of cotton yarns, second rank in production of blended yarns. Our Tamil Nadu contributes 1/3 of the textile business of India and making it as the textile valley of India. It's all in the bag. The export of jute shopping bags has rapidly grown from the 2013 to 2019. An interesting one, India is the largest producer of jute in the world and the Bangladesh is the second largest producer of jute in the world.
To the statistical data of Co-Optex. The Handlooms and Textiles Minister O.S. Manian said that the Co-Optex looms, handloom and power looms were worth rupees 313.38 crores during the year 2015 and 16. He also told that the Co-Optex had made a record for the highest ever retail sale during the year 2015 and 16. This turnover was made because of the new designs and products by the Co-Optex and the wide publicity he added. The Co-Optex has a showroom across all the states and also in selected cities like New Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai and Panaji. Now let's see a small description on the Tamil Nadu Handloom Weaver Cooperative Society Limited. So the trade name is Co-Optex, the native name is Tamil Nadu Kaithari Nesavalar Koottaravu Sangam. So the type is a government undertaking, industry or the handloom industry. It is founded in the year 1935 as I already told. The headquarters is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. And the key people are T.N. Venkatesan IAS, the managing director. And the owner is the government of Tamil Nadu, which we already discussed, the Tamil Nadu Handloom Weavers Cooperative Society Limited. Now, let's see some more about Co-Optex. So, the labors of Co-Optex are taken to many places so they can get new ideas of making on their own designs and products. So, the sacred silk cloth or vastram adoring Lord Venkateshwara at Tirumala is born out of the nimble hands of the handloom weavers of cooperative societies in and around Salem. So the head office of Co-Optex is located in 350 Pantheon Road, Suleiman Zakaria Avenue, Egmore.